How to hide Instagram highlights from someone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Click on your profile at the bottom right. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, scroll down till you find Hide Story in Live. Click on Hide Story in Live. Then you'll find all your people in here. After you click on Hide Story in Live From, then search for the person if you don't find them here. If you find them, simply click on it, make sure there's tick mark and click on Done at the top right corner of your screen. After you do that, your highlights, story, and live will be hidden from them. And this is how to hide Instagram highlights from someone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.